Hey, what up, everyone? It's Teamwitherving here. Today we are gonna be doing our Forex pre-week forecast for the week of June 14 to the 18th, 2021. So I'm very happy. Last week was an amazing week, guys. So congratulations to each and every one of you if you did well. I'm super excited for you. Once again, we are gonna be doing 4 pairs today, and this is our Forex pre-week forecast for the week of June 14 to the 18th. All right, so let's get to work and let me show you what the market has to do for the. Let's see now. We are gonna start with our USD Canadian, guys. This is what I told everyone last week. I said, guys, the market is gonna give us a beautiful brand new multiple time frame with our TWE sniper entry, and that is exactly what happened. Look at this one. Shout out to Billy. Hey Billy, you sent me a message on this one, I think right after the sniper entry showed up, and I was very happy. So this worked out perfectly based on what we know, guys. So what we're seeing here is the market, it is in a buy position so far for this week. Let me fix this. There you go. Let me put it like that so I can draw the box. Then all I can see is yesterday Friday the market was still in a bullish position. Look at this one, we got a buy position here. So all I can see, guys, is our TWE sniper entry. It is on fire on here, to be honest. Market is only bullish. Look at what happened. Boom, market hit all the way back up to your 50 Fibonacci line. All I can say is this week, the week of 14 to the 18, guys, the market is gonna do a small retracement, retesting mid 50 to your 38 Fibonacci, basically retesting all the support and resistance in this area here. So it's gonna be very neat, and from there market will continue as a buy because we know the market here, it is bullish. So I don't see anything else to say, okay, market is gonna retrace big time. I don't think so, but market could do it. I mean, market is the market. All I can see, yes, the market will retrace, retesting all these levels here. Look at that, perfect hit. And then from there, market will continue as a buy, going all the way to the 61.8 Fibonacci line. Then we'll do a small retracement. All right. So far, so good. Are you with me? All right, guys. So hopefully that makes sense. Let me show you the next pair. The next pair is shout out to our man of the day. This was to Billy again. Billy asked me this question. Irvin, what do you think about Euro GBP? It's an Euro GBP selling. Well, look at this. Look at this. Always pay attention to your dashboard, guys. That's very important. Please always pay attention to your dashboard. All right, because it's very important to know exactly what your dashboard is telling you here. The next thing, guys, pay attention. What is your TWE sniper entry telling you? Oh, I'm in a sell position. Look at this gorgeous sell. Look at the stairs going where? Going on one direction. Look at what happened. This week, market gave us a continuation of the sell. Look at this red arrow coming in favor of the multiple time frame with our TWE sniper entry. So yes, the market it gave us a beautiful sell. So all I can say is this coming week, guys, we got already one level here, double bottom. So market is and it's given Friday close as a bullish position on this small support and resistance, very minor support and resistance. It's not like it's a big one, but yes, but I do respect that. You know, I mean, a small retracement is a small retracement, right? So that means it's bullish on the smaller time frame. So all I can say is this week, guys, as the market already gave us a heads up that it's gonna fall in a buy position. So I will be looking here for a small retracement, a small buy position retesting. Look at this level here. We got a lot of support and resistance in here. Very nice, very nice, very nice. So it's gonna be mid 23 Fibonacci line, or it can go all the way to your 23. So either way is fine. Then from there, market will continue as a bearish, because we know the market here, it is bearish. Okay, so the trend here is bearish, unless if this week the market is gonna give us a new buy position, but the buy position is very weak. I don't see a lot of strength on the market yet to be fully ready there, but it is what it is. Guys, stay to the end. I'm gonna give you one pair that I told you last week. Hey guys, this is what market is gonna do. It's gonna form a sniper entry, and you will see it. It was basically, we were comparing this pair with the gold, the one that I gave you on Sunday. So I'm gonna show you. Stay to the end. And one thing that I do have to let you know before I do move on is that please do not invest any money that you cannot afford to lose. I'm not your financial advisor. This is for educational purpose, and please don't think this is signals, because they're not. I know they're pretty dang good analysis, guys, but please don't trade with any money that you cannot afford to lose. All right, so that it's very important for you, because I mean, you're the one who is here with me week after week. And one thing that I have to let you know is, please guys, hit the bell notification below, support the channel. It helps you and it helps me, so you will know when I post video every week. And tomorrow is Sunday, so you cannot miss tomorrow analysis. So stay on it, hit the bell notification, and let's move on. All right, fair enough. All right, let's go. All right, let me show you AUDJPY. I be telling every single one, guys, I'm in a sell position on this one. The master trend here, it is boom, bearish. Look at this one. Always pay attention to your dashboard, guys. Look at here, multiple time frame is selling, our dashboard is selling, our monthly is down, and then our week close in a sell position, and boom, I told everyone the market, it is selling. Hopefully, I mean, I be telling you week after week. Hopefully you don't say, Irving, you didn't say that. Well, go back and recheck the video, guys. Trading our system is the best. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. And I have to tell you one more thing before I do forget, because hey, it is very important. If you want to become a member with us, the link is below. Come and grab our multiple time frame, and make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's go. So that is very important. It is super important. Now, what is my understanding for this week, guys? Look at this one, guys. This trade here is amazing. It's amazing. This is what I told you. Look at here. So this week, the market tried to close as a buy position, but I think it is going to retrace back, retesting all these levels here. It's not a super bullish position that it's going to go, but it will retrace it probably, what, 20-15 pips up, and then the market is gonna give us a continuation of the sell, boom, because all we know is the market here, it is selling. Okay, look at this sell. So here, AUDJPY, I told everyone that I was gonna be on this trade, and I'm still in it. It took me out on this on the retracement. I mean, it hit my trailing stop, and then I got back in, and then it hit my trailing stop again. It has been playing over and over again. The thing is, the last week, guys, the last 2 weeks, the market be playing so freaking crazy, be bouncing on this area, didn't know what to do. We all knew the market was bearish, and look, you tell me if multiple time frame is not on fire, and boom, look at what it's doing right now. Boom, it's doing exactly what I told you guys. And this is not signals. Oh my god. If you guys want me to give you like signal here and there, guys, if you know how to put together, you know, an idea, send me a private message. Maybe we can share idea with a group, but not to YouTube. maybe to our group and say, hey, you know, this, I got this idea here, TP on this one, TP on 2, and so on. All right, so it's very straightforward. All right, guys, so AUDJPY, it is on fire. It is selling exactly what I just told you. So congrats if you took that one. So that should put you in profit. And the last pair, guys, that I'm gonna be giving you today, it is Saturday. Tomorrow we are gonna be doing our weekly forecast. So the week that I told you early today was that I want to give a shout out to everyone for participating. I told everyone the market was going to give us a brand new a sniper entry showing that as a sell position. And make sure, guys, make sure you hit that bell notification below, because it is important. Look, I'm watching you. Go ahead, hit that bell notification, guys. I'm giving you content here. It doesn't cost you anything. Come on, hit that bell notification. All right, you ready there? All right, good. Let's move on. All right, so this is what I told everyone. I said, guys, the market is gonna, last week, guys, because you know I love to come here and give you only reality things. I like to analyze the market on candles that has not formed. All the traders, all their coaches, they love to teach you back data. Why? Ask yourself a question. Why they're always talking about bad data, or why they're always saying, you know what? If the market look, our system said if you would have taken a buy here, you would have make all this so much pip. Guess what? It already happened. Who cares? Show me how to make money to on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. That's all I want to know. That's what you need to tell me. Not back data. Back data, it will never ever make you money, neither then, neither no one. I'm telling you. This is what I told you last week. All this data here, guys, was not here. And I told you guys, the market is forming a gorgeous, beautiful sell. And the good thing about GBP USD was, I think Billy be on fire, guys. Billy is hitting my private message, private telegram behind scene. And so Irvin, look at this one. Irvin, look at that. Boom, it's already. Shout out to you, bro. Look, you not bothering me. Sometimes I don't have the extra eyes to look at the market, but sometimes you guys wake me up and say, Urban, it's time to get in, let's go. So sometimes you have to be patient, because the market will put you in negative first. It will never, ever, ever put you in positive. It's not gonna happen. It's always gonna put you in positive. It'll always stay tuned. But this is what I told you guys. I knew the market was in a sell position. Look at this one. I did tell you, even our white multiple time frame arrow told us that we were in a sell position. Look at who just popped in this week, guys. Our sniper entries showed up in here, letting us know that we are selling, officially selling this bad boy. The market was doing a PV. But this pullback here, guys, this pullback here was not strong enough, because we all knew the market was selling. Look at this sell. So market went back up, retest this same level here. Boom, boom. Look at that. If you would have put a box here, it got rejected right from there. And then look, even if you pull a trend line, look at this trend line, gorgeous trend line. It hit it once, it hit it twice, it hit it third, and boom, market drop. Currently, based on what we know, the market is selling this bad boy here. So I'm super excited for this one. So all I can say is this week, guys, the market will retrace back up, retesting mid 38 to our 23 Fibonacci line, or either come back all the way to your 23, and then boom, market will continue as a sell. And then we're gonna meet on Wednesday, where we're gonna review this analysis live on YouTube. That's what we're gonna be doing it, so you can ask me questions if you want me to analyze any other or your video. I will be more than happy. Of your pair, I will be more than happy to do so. So I'm very excited, guys. This is gonna be an amazing week. The month of June, guys, it's on fire, to be honest. I really like it. So, to be honest, the month of June, what is the month of June doing? I didn't hear you. What is your month of June doing?
Teamwitherving is on fire.
I'm telling you. The month of June, it is on fire trading here with Teamwitherving. So come and join us, guys. Come and join us. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can always stay active to our video and so on. So tomorrow is Sunday, guys. I always tell people, please do not trade on Sundays. Tomorrow the market is gonna open at 5 p.m. Please don't trade. So today is Saturday, like I said. Today we are analyzing our Forex pre-week forecast with you. You see it here live with me. And make sure you hit that bell notification. Look at this. This is our Forex pre-week forecast, guys. Guys, let me know if you guys like the thumbnails that I'm creating it. I think I'm becoming pretty good at it, guys. So I just the most difficult part here was how to put the you know, the text and so on. So now everything looks pretty amazing. So guys, I will be taking a vacation on August, and now I just moved it to August. I was gonna go for a month, but the wife rejected. She said now we should do a week and a half only. Well, guess what? This is less money that I'm gonna spend. So all right, guys, so thank you, guys. Once again, guys, make sure you always stay healthy, love your family, and the most important is never ever change, you know, if no matter how much money you're gonna make here on the market. All right, so once again, God bless you and God bless our beautiful nation. Bye bye.